Hey guys, Mark and Swan here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you could generate more leads, sales, and reps and maximize the compensation plan for your Kyani business. And that means that you have the right mindset because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have simply studied the craft. I want you to be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets, reveal industry secrets rapid fire. Absolutely no fluff, no time wasting, just facts. The number one golden nugget and bonus at the very end, so stay tuned for those instant results. Here we go. I'm going to show you exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to hitting the leaderboards for and becoming the top lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best way to generate leads online, even if you're currently unknown with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you my exact 3-step strategy that I use to become a top recruiter and to hit the leaderboards for sales. You're going to learn how to get a minimum of 100 or more highly targeted and highly qualified leads in the next 30 days. So you never have to chase people again. So you never have to cold message people, and so that you can attract those highly targeted, highly qualified prospects who actually buy. Ultimately, you can start having the freedom and lifestyle that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. How many of you would like to have a business working for you instead of the other way around? You're going to get my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint and my exact Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. Let's get started. For YouTube, you want to identify the keyword that you want to go after. The internet runs on search. This is done by looking at what others who already accomplished what you want to accomplish have done and simply creating similar content going after similar keywords. You're going to utilize a tool called TubeBuddy. With this tool, you're going to be able to go to the video that you want to replicate, click on the video, and copy the tags to a Word document. I'm going to leave a link for the TubeBuddy in the description. Step 2, you want to create a coherent title with your keyword phrase. Your title should go after multiple keywords while still making sense. Keep your description about 300 words and scatter your keywords throughout your description. Place your link at the top of the description. You want to do those things, and then at the end, go to canva.com and create your thumbnail and save your thumbnail as your primary keyword. Remember, you don't want to reinvent the wheel. There's plenty of people who have already started this process and already have the success that you want. So you want to go ahead and find those people and simply not copy verbatim, but you do want to just copy the right cat, essentially do what they did. You want to do 3 to 5 minutes of content. You want your content to be about 3 to 5 minutes in length, and use open broadcast system to share your screen. Save the video as your keyword optimized title. For Facebook, you want to find exactly where your target audience is hanging out. You don't want to be marketing and speaking to everybody under the sun. Your message is not for everyone. If you're marketing to everyone, you're marketing to no one. You want to target like-minded network marketers, people who will be interested in what you have to offer. And you're going to just be social and build a following. Go to people's page, comment, and I'll show you exactly how that's done. Let's say you found somebody who you think might be a good prospect. You want to go ahead and take a look at their page and be very honest here. Here's an example of something you might say. Hey Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyway. I noticed that you've been making the comments on the Tony Robbins fan page and that we have the same mindset when it comes to work ethic. So I thought that we should connect. It would be great to chat with you. What exactly do you do for work? So that's a good way to just start a conversation. Again, you just want to make those 5 to 10 connections per day. You can get engagement now as more and more people start to go to your page. You can start to get engagement by engaging posts, picture quotes, and having a fill in the blank. I love my blank, and then having people comment exactly what they feel. You want to go in the group again with the mindset of making connections, not closing people. Remember, your vibe attracts your tribe, and you want to be making those 5 to 10 connections each day. You want to go to fan pages like Robert Kiyosaki, Tony Robbins. Those kind of fan pages are good for the people with the mindset that you're looking for. You want to be posting curiosity and not resistance. So that's 90% personal and 10% about your business. What we mean exactly by curiosity posts is you could say something like, this morning I made a great smoothie with apples, oranges, mangoes, green powder, and almond milk. I had energy all day long. So people may reach out to you and ask, hey, what is that green powder you're talking about? And that green powder may have something to do with your business. Okay, and then this way you're not being a pushy salesperson. Guys, I hope you guys got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you exactly how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day, where some people even sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link. I hope you guys got value from this, and I'll see you on the other side.